is my last day in India. It was 2 years ago. I was living in Argentina for 5 years. I left Venezuela 6 years ago, so it was like my first big travel, going to Argentina. And I started to travel around. And every time that I started to go to a new city, like a new place, that's when I realized, that it was like excitement, like adrenaline to visit different places. And I realized that I didn't feel that way in my regular life in Argentina. Like I was doing the same stuff, like going to work from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. The only excitement that I have was just, those weekends that I was able to travel outside. That's when I started to think that, okay, I was happy in Buenos Aires, but there was something missing. There was no passion, nothing that I was feeling excited about. And I started to think about traveling. It was very scary. And of course, like there is this thinking that, okay, I have to go back and I'm gonna be like zero. I have to start all over again. And that was the biggest fear. But then, I don't know, it's like, since I've been traveling, it's been like, I realized that it's the best decision that I can ever make. So I'm happy with it. I don't care if I have to go back and start from zero. Here in India, it's been great. I realized some different aspects of their life, like to understand the meaning of sharing of the Indians is very different. I mean, here they share everything. It's part of their culture. Here people are more okay with that. So understanding that, of course, it was a shock. Now it's like, okay, I get it. I don't think I'm there yet to share like they do, but it's okay.
When it's time to move, to move on to a different city, it's like, okay, it's sad, but at the same time, I know that I need to keep going. I don't want to stay in one city for a person. I need to finish this journey, and after I finish, I can go back and, make stronger, make roots in that city. But so far, I just want to keep going, keep moving.